Welcome to Webcruiseict frequently asked questions, how stuff work YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at NNS, FM radio, Bluetooth, AM, shortwave radio. We are unpacking it. As you can see, it's new. It has a cord, also a USB cord, TF cord. We're going to remove it from the nylon. This is a manual. You can see FM radio, shortwave radio, band radio with USB TF player. Okay, it's out. Alright, our radio is out from the box. Antenna, off and on switch, control for FM, shortwave or AM, volume, USB cord for charging, TF cord, memory card, USB cord or flash drive, a tuning panel, 3 subwoofer speakers,
follow up,
100% money back guarantee if you order today. We ship to anywhere in Nigeria. You can contact us via the numbers on our website or via the numbers you are seeing on the banners, and we will deliver to you in the next 48 hours or less. Thank you once again for viewing, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button on our YouTube channel. Once again, the YouTube channel is Webcruiseict frequently asked questions, how stuff works. Thank you and have a nice day.